Overcoming a lack of confidence. Make friends in your study group. Set up a reading or study group with friends. If you are nervous about speaking in class, note down a couple of questions or respond to questions you could contribute. Try to make just one contribution in class as a starting point. When you have spoken once, you may find it easier to speak in front of the class in the future. If it is possible, write email to professor with your question. After that, it may also become easier to ask questions during class. Plan and prepare before each class. Participate in extracurricular development opportunities. Practice, work, or year abroad volunteering.